Okay, thank you everyone for coming. So I'd like to welcome everyone to this Zoom session. Hopefully we can take you through all the different aspects of the Zoom Master role, just how to go through all the different functions, and that's the key thing we want to go through tonight. We'll also give you a bit of an overview about contests in general, about how they'll flow, how they'll work through. But in terms of the nitty gritty of how the contests run and all the rules, that'll be something you can look at the rule book and some other materials for. The first thing we're going to do is we're all going to go through and update our settings, because what I want to do is give you the host, the ability to be the host and set up the breakout rooms. And we just need to add a few functionality, change a few settings first before we can do that. So can everyone go to this link I've put in the chat? I'll put it in again just now. So just go to this website and we want you to log in to your account and then go to the settings section. I'll share my screen to show you what I'm looking at. Mine looks something like this after I was logged in. So yeah, you log in, as you can see, I'm logged in here, and you go to the settings section and it'll have all the different settings here.
Oh, yep.
Is everyone going okay?
It's asking me to sign up.
You should be able to sign in as well. There'll be a sign in and a sign up button as well. For those that have come in, we're just going to have to change two settings. So we'll go down here in meeting basic. Go down. We're going to go down until we find one that says show Zoom window during screen share. It's a bit tough because it's about halfway through. We're going to find this one here and we're going to tick it so that it goes blue like this. That's the first one.
I've got a screen that's not giving me anything like that. Join a meeting, host a meeting, sign in. Ah, that one's just come on.
Yeah, have a look. Once we've done that one, what we're going to do is go to the in meeting advanced up here. Go down here to breakout rooms. So the first one was about making sure that we can see your screen when you're sharing. And the next one we're going to do here is for the breakout rooms, to give us the ability to set our breakout rooms. So we're going to tick this here so that it goes blue. And once we've done both of those, you can log out of this website and we're ready to go. Once we've done those, then we go out here.
Yeah.
The next thing we're going to do is just enable that Zoom Windows feature in our software itself. So we've done them on the website. That allows us to use them, but now we need to use it in our software. For that, I'm going to show my video because I'm having difficulties. I'm sharing my desktop and I'll go across here. Actually, first I'll make sure I've optimized for video, just because there can be issues sometimes when you share a video over the share screen. We're playing this, just let me know if you can't hear this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Zoom settings so that when you're trying to share your screen and show the Zoom window, it'll actually stay there instead of disappearing. I'm going to skip towards the end. Show Zoom window, that one on. I'll refresh. I should be able to do. So you should have something that looks like this. So when you open, this is just your Zoom software on your computer. Open something like this, and then we're just going to update the settings up in that top right-hand corner. Turn on the setting. So we're going to settings, share screen, and I've got this setting here, the share Zoom window during screen share. Make sure that's ticked, and now you're ready to go. So that's just the last thing to do. So we've done the stuff on the Zoom website, and now we're just going to tick that off. Now, how's everyone going with that? How'd everyone go?
Can I ask a question? Sorry. Where did you get that Zoom software screen again? I can sign in, but I can't get that actual screen with the 4 icons.
That Zoom screen, that comes on your from the software. So if you're on a Mac, you would go to Finder. You would go.
I'm not on a Mac. I'm on a Windows.
On a Windows, you go press the Windows button, and you should type in Zoom, and that'll open up your Zoom window.
Okay, thanks.
Or if you have it down the bottom, you can just click on the Zoom, and that'll bring it up.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want us? Sorry, Heath. Do you want us to do that now? The open.
Yeah. So go through that now.
Actually, Heath, I am on a Mac, but I can't find that page either.
Yeah, that's a bit tough. So what you do on a Mac is you press Command Space. That'll bring up a search bar, and then you type in Zoom.
Command space. Type in Zoom.
Yep. That should help you find it.
Okay, then I get a Zoom app.
Zoom.us should be.
Yes, I do. I get that.
Yep. So go press Enter, and that'll bring it up.
Oh, I have. It's there. Now what?
And then we'll go to the settings. I'll share that video again. It should look something like this. Go to the settings in the top right, share screen, and then click this one here.
Settings. I can see your page with settings written on it, but I don't have. There's no menu that says settings.
Yeah,
Mine doesn't have either.
you can click this little thing over here.
Yeah, I know what you mean by a settings. I know the settings little icon thing, but I don't have one of those.
Or the settings icon.
Mine's on the right-hand side under my icon with my initials.
Yeah, so you click there, or you just click on your initials and then go settings.
Got it done.
And so how'd everyone go? Can you just raise your hand if you've done all that and you're up to the end? Okay. Yep, good. We've got a few. So it can always be tough with these live demos. Right, we've got a few people through, and we're just going to be taking you through a few contests, and that should be okay. We only have a few. Okay, so we might move on from here. Just conscious of time. So first of all, the thing we're going to go to is a bit of an outline. So I'm going to show you the outline of what we're going to go through today. This is just a simple outline of what we're going to go through today. We're going to have a little bit of introduction about how the contest is going to run. And then we're going to quickly go through a few contests, the international, have the Q&A, the evaluation, Q&A, and then the table topics contest. These are going to be relatively quick, so we're not going to go through all the intricacies. We're just going to more go through and just make sure we focus on the Zoom functions that we have.